Good morning, guys. I am making this video at 5:15 on Tuesday, February 8th, because I messed up my project. Did you ever start a project, any creative project? Could be painting, decoupage, sculpting, whatever it is you do. But I'll focus on decoupage today and painting because we do the most of that here. And you finish it, or you think you finish it, and you say something's missing, something's not right. I need to try to fix this. I need to try to add to it. I need to try to do something different. Well, that's what happened with this week's project. I continued to make it worse and worse and worse. And I'm laughing now, but that's only because I took a 2-mile walk in below freezing temperatures, which is why I'm wearing my winter jacket and my hair's kind of all over the place. And what was I saying? I went for a walk because I was so discouraged. That's what I was trying to say. So a couple of things. I will not be putting a DIY video out this week because I messed this up so badly. But as I was on my walk, and by the way, when I finally got to the point today where I said, you know what, I have to scrap this. This was after I worked for quite a few hours on the project on Saturday, quite a few hours on Monday, and then today, Tuesday, I worked on it quite a few hours again. And when I was done and I looked at my work, which I kept trying to improve and fix, improve and fix, I was so upset that I just wanted to cry. And I know there's bigger problems in the world. We've all got big things going on. But the main reason I'm focusing on this for this week's video, it's not a DIY, is because I want to let you know I do get messages on my Facebook private message from some of you saying that you're so discouraged, you can't do this, or something turned out so badly, you're just going to stop decoupaging for a while. And I always understand that. And I also want to let you know that even though I've been doing this for over 30 years, decoupage, right? And I've been making videos for over 10 years here on YouTube, even I mess up. And that's not to say, you know, I'm the know-it-all source for these creative things, and even I mess up. I don't mean it like that. I just mean it like, even though I'm practiced at this and I've been doing it for so long, and I've taken classes and given courses, and I make DIY videos, even I have these days where I just looked at that end result and went, you know what? It's not working. And I got to the point where I said, throw it out. So now I'm just sounding redundant, but I wanted to put a little bit of a positive aspect on this and let you guys know I was ready to cry. I was ready to smash that project into 1,000 pieces. And I finally just went for a walk. And sometimes it just goes that way. So I hope you guys keep the faith. You know, when you mess up, it happens to all of us. Doesn't matter who it is. I even see other decoupage videos that look so perfect, and I go, oh my gosh, she never makes mistakes. She never has to. I'll bet she never scraps her projects. I think it happens to everybody. I hope it happens. Not I hope, but you know what I mean. I hope it's not just me. I thought the positive aspect of this is I can let you know it happens to all of us. So I hope if you need a little inspiration sometimes, maybe you come back to this video and you go, you know what, it happens. Scrap it, start over, leave it for a little bit, do whatever else makes you happy, get away from it, relax. My walk out on the country road was quite refreshing, and I'm back to looking forward to making another DIY video for next week. But for this week, I'm sorry I did not have a DIY for you because I messed it up. I failed. I hate to admit that, but I failed. So guys, I'll see you next week. Thanks for all of your comments. My computer just blacked out for some reason. Thanks for all of your comments and sticking with me. I'm sorry I don't have a DIY for this week, but I do hope you come back to this if you need a little bit of inspiration now and then. because it happens to all of us, okay? And I'll see you next week, hopefully with another DIY that is nice and it looks the way I'd like it to look. Thanks, friends. And your comments always keep me going for next week. So sorry if I let you down, but I'll see you next week, all right? Bye.